Welcome to the future of cable management manufacturing. We proudly present our Russian popular type perforated cable tray roll forming machine. This single robust line produces both cable trays and their covers with precision. The powerful hydraulic uncoiler and integrated coil car work together to seamlessly and safely load heavy steel coils. The material passes through our high-performance leveler, ensuring the coil is perfectly flat and stress-free before it enters the production stream. A precise servo feeder works in tandem with the high-speed punch press and custom progressive dies to create various, complex groups of perforation holes. A dynamic loop pit ensures continuous, smooth material flow between the punching and forming stages. Now, watch the transformation. This is our advanced, automatically adjustable roll forming system. It features multiple sturdy stands that can be quickly and automatically adjusted to produce different dimensions of cable trays and covers. The flexible rafted mills can be swiftly replaced, allowing you to switch between producing trays and covers on the same line. All stations are connected via robust chain transmission and gear connection for consistent high torque forming. Finally, an integrated straightener ensures the final profile is perfect. Precision meets innovation. The heavy-duty hydraulic cutting system delivers clean, accurate cuts. Crucially, the device simultaneously shrinks one end of the cable tray profile as it cuts, creating a specialized and for easy, hassle-free assembly and secure jointing in the field. Take a closer look at the final product. Here you can clearly see the intricate, perfectly punched perforations and the unique, expertly shrinked end. This feature ensures simple, efficient installation and secure jointing, saving significant time on the job site. This machine represents the pinnacle of efficiency, producing high-quality cable trays and covers, ready for immediate use. Contact us today to elevate your manufacturing capabilities with this all-in-one solution. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button now. Like, comment your questions or project needs below, and turn on notifications to catch our latest machine demos. We're here to bring you top-tier roll forming solutions. See you in the next video.